Today, I just feel like making some pizzas. Not the traditional oven style pizza, something quick, just quick for lunch today. I've got some French bread here, a little end piece of a French bread, an onion bagel, and a waffle. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you prefer, if you've tried any of them or if you've tried all three. So let's get started. The base is going to be the same. Just going to give it a little bit of a brush of some good olive oil to all of them. So we're just going to, because I want to toast them up first. So we're going to give it a little toast first before we get all the toppings on. So get that on the onion bagel, and you can use a plain bagel or any kind of bagel. I wouldn't go with like a breakfast style, maybe a cinnamon, sugar stuff. Nah, it won't work good. All right, so just gonna get some of this oil. And again, this is just a regular olive oil. Just gonna brush some on so we can get the bread toasted. And I've preheated the air fryer oven here. So I'm just gonna put these on. Put this on here. 400 degrees for about 2 or 3 minutes. Just enough to get a little bit of a toast on them. So let's go 3 minutes, hit start. All right, so while those are toasting up, we'll go over some of these ingredients. I've got some homemade marinara sauce. It's basically a seasoned, Italian seasoned tomato sauce with olive oil, oregano, a little basil, salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. This is just some regular large shred mozzarella, some grated Parmesan Asiago cheese. I've got one of them I'm going to use pepperoni. Again, I can't make up my mind, so it's pepperoni. This is just some leftover sausage from the cookout the other day. So we're going to add that to one of the pizzas. And the other one just be a cheese pizza, regular style. All right, so the bread has toasted for a couple of minutes here. I'm going to just take that out for now. So it's got a little bit of a crust to it. So just enough to keep it going. I'm going to flip these over because I'm going to oil these, this side here. All right. So let's add a little bit of oil here, just lightly. I have plenty of flavor. All right. Next, we're going to add some of this marinara sauce on all three. I'm just going to fill up the holes here because we have the hole option. So we're going to fill all that up. And not overdo it. Don't need too much sauce, but yeah, you can put as much as you want. Who am I to tell you? Okay, a little bit there. A little bit there. And yes, you're going to have some runoff in the bagel hole. But we're going to take care of that in a second. Okay, some on this French bread. Okay, and that's why you want to toast it up early. You want to toast it up before you put the sauce on. That'll help hold the sauce so it doesn't just become a soggy mess. All right, so next thing is we're going to get a little bit, let's put some grated cheese on it. I'll sprinkle. Sprinkle. Everybody gets some. We don't discriminate here. Okay. Okay, we're going to get some of this shredded cheese on the waffle. Okay. Get some on this one here. Put some on the French bread. Got a little bit extra here. And it's only cheese. Now, for the bagel, I'm going to put one of these pepperonis in the center, like that, to cover that hole. That'll keep the cheese from running out. I like the cheese to stay put. So we're going to do that. And add some cheese here. Okay. Here and here. A little bit more. All right. So on the waffle, I'm going to go with sausage. So we're just going to add a few of them, like that. About 5. We don't want to overdo it. Come on, you know. What are we, animals? All right. The second, since we started with the pepperoni, we're going to get the pepperoni on the bagel. So pepperoni on the bagel. And the French bread we're going to leave as is. We're just going to spread around a little bit more cheese on these here, just so everything melts nicely. All right, everybody gets extra cheese. All right, good to go here. All right, so now we're going to get this back into the air fry oven. Not so close to the top this time. I'm going to go about the center so we don't burn the top. Okay, again on 400 degrees. I kind of like 400 for pizzas. Higher the temperature, the better. If I could go 500, I go 500. But these air fryers don't go that high. So we're going to give this, start 3 minutes. When the cheese is nicely melted, it's nice and toasted up, we're ready to go. So I'll bring you back when it's time to eat. All right, so this is just finished. I put it in there for an additional 2 minutes, so roughly about 4 or 5 minutes at 400 degrees, just enough to get this nice and melted. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? See? So we're going to get these on a dish here. Just, yeah, kind of warm. They're hot even. One of those. And one of those. So let's just put that aside for now. Ooh, that's hot. So what I want to do is I'm going to get a little bit of olive oil on them. A little bit more, just for a little bit extra flavor. Here. And we're going to hit it with some more grated cheese. Here. And I got some fresh basil from the AeroGarden there. We're going to add some of this. I'm going to add some of the fresh basil to this one here. Okay, and some to here too. Why not? Goes good with sausage. It's good. All right. So here we have it. Let's give this a shot here. So let's go with the bagel one. So it looks pretty toasted. So it's pretty hot. Let's give this a bite. That's good. So that's, again, one of my favorites. I like it. You know, it holds up really well. And we have the waffle. So it holds up pretty good too. Okay, it's got a different texture, a little bit of a crunch on the edges here. All right, so let's bite into this one. Sausage goes good with it. It's almost like a breakfast pizza. Waffle, sausages, cheese. Come on. Can't go wrong. And, you know, and good old French bread pizza. Everybody's favorite. Good. They're all good, but I gotta say that I'm really getting pulled into the waffle. I kind of like the waffle. Maybe it's the sausage that's on it. Pepperoni's pretty good too on the bagel. So why don't you guys let me know down in the in the comment section which ones you prefer, which one you like better, which one you use, or if you use all three. Hope you enjoyed my quick little pizza comparison here. Appetizer, snack video. Check out some other pizza videos here that I have in the playlist, or other air fryer recipes. Again, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.